You're one emergency away from being broke. But here's the crazy part. Just $10,000 can completely change your life. It's 2:17 a.m. You're lying in bed, wide awake. Your mind is racing. What if my car breaks down tomorrow? What if I lose my job? What if something goes wrong and I can't afford it? Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't have enough savings to survive even one bad month. And that's not just stressful, it's dangerous. But something weird happens when you hit your first $10,000. It's not just about money anymore, it's psychological. You stop reacting and start thinking. You stop surviving and start making moves. And once that shift happens, everything changes. Point 1. Fear starts to disappear. Let's start with the biggest one, fear. Before 10,000, every small problem feels like a disaster. Car repair, stress, medical bill, panic, job loss, game over. But after 10,000, you breathe differently. You think, okay, I can handle this. That's power. Here's the truth most people ignore. When you're broke, you don't make smart decisions, you make desperate ones. You take bad jobs, you tolerate toxic people, you settle. But when you have savings, you gain options, and options are everything. Point 2. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. Now think about this. Most people earn money, and it's gone before the next paycheck hits. It's like running on a treadmill, full speed, no progress. Meet Jake. Jake makes decent money, but every month he's back to zero. Then one day, he hits $10,000. And suddenly, something shifts. He's no longer chasing money, money starts working for him. He can plan ahead, he can wait for better opportunities, he can think long-term. But here's the harsh reality. If you don't break the paycheck cycle, you'll stay stuck no matter how much you earn. $2,000 income? Broke. $5,000 income? Still broke. $10,000 income? Still broke. Because the problem isn't income. It's control. Point 3. Your confidence skyrockets. Let's talk about something people don't say enough. Money equals confidence. Not in a flashy way, but in a calm, quiet way. When Sarah saved her first $10,000, she didn't suddenly become rich, but she stopped second-guessing herself. She negotiated her salary. She said no more often. She stopped tolerating nonsense. Why? Because she knew, I'm not trapped anymore. And that changes how you walk, talk, and think. Ask yourself this, how different would your life look if you weren't afraid of money problems? If this is hitting you right now, hit subscribe because most people never understand this until it's too late. Point 4. You start thinking like an investor. Here's where things get really interesting. Before 10,000, your mindset is, how do I spend this? After 10,000, it becomes, how do I grow this? That's a completely different game. Instead of buying things, you start buying time. Instead of chasing trends, you start thinking about assets. Nick, for example, saved 10,000, and instead of buying an upgraded phone or a bike, he asked one question, how can this money make me more money? That question alone is what separates broke people from wealthy people. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people never reach $10,000, not because they can't, but because they never take it seriously. They treat saving like a leftover, not a priority, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. So how do you actually reach that $10,000? Let's keep it simple. Step 1. Stop leaking money. Track your spending, not casually, seriously, because small leaks sink big ships. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Before bills, before fun, before anything. Save first. Even if it's small, consistency beats intensity. Step 3. Increase income. Yes, you have to. Let's be real. If your income is low, saving alone won't cut it. You need to earn more. Side hustle, freelance, skill upgrade, no excuses here. Step 4. Protect the 10,000. Once you hit it, don't touch it for stupid reasons. This is not vacation money. This is your freedom fund. Here's the truth nobody tells you. $10,000 won't make you rich, but it will make you dangerous. Dangerous to bad decisions, dangerous to toxic situations, dangerous to a life you don't want. Because now, you're not controlled by money anymore.